Today, I'm going to set a table that will take you from spring to summer and beyond. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. Welcome to my monthly Tablescape. So sit back, relax, and let the design begin. I always start by cleaning the table, but I'm not showing that this time. The tablescape need layers, so I'm starting with a beautiful white tablecloth as my base. Adding a green DIY runner, and then layer on charger plates, dinner plates, and smaller accent plate. However, the major color for this tablescape is pink. I usually put the place settings down first and then the centerpiece, but this time I am putting down the centerpiece first. Last year, I made a green runner out of Dollar Tree ribbon. I hot glued 4 strips of ribbon side by side at approximately 40 inches, maybe a little bit less. I placed a green wreath with fairy lights that I used many times previously on top of the runner in the middle of the table. Around the wreath, I started placing many different kinds of pink flowers in a sort of elongated figure that would fit around my round table for 4. Now it's time for the layering. I placed a gold charger with beading around the edges on the table. And placed white dinnerware around on top. Wow, it is starting to look so elegant. Next, I wrapped a pale pink napkin around the plate for another pop of color, but more pale. I found a napkin with roses, and this is a paper napkin, and I just cut out the roses and put them on top of the napkin. Oh yes, I know what you're saying. Where is she going with this idea? Well, I have a plain glass salad plate that I put on top of the napkin. Now you can see the rose. How cute is that? When you put the napkin in your lap, you can place the paper rose in front of your setting. In the middle of the wreath, I placed a gold candlestick . The taller candlestick was placed on the right and the shorter one on the left. So basically, they are tallest, medium, and short. and each candle held a ribbed glass candle holder with a battery-operated candle inside. How beautiful, especially in the evening when the sun is setting. Gold metal coasters were placed to the right of the charger, and a clear goblet was set on top. Another pop of gold. Lastly, I found some gold flatware that graced the table for the final touches. Light the candle, serve some delicious food, and the party is on. Tablescape Tuesday is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Make sure you subscribe, like, save, and comment on all of the collaborators, and be sure to use the hashtag Tablescape 2025. If you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Tablescaping is satisfying, but also challenges your creative mind. I always enjoy encouraging comments. Also, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each week. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, until mankind extends the circle of his compassion to all living things, man will not himself find peace. This is by Albert Schweitzer. See you later. Bye-bye.